What if I told you that some tiny YouTube channels with barely a few hundred subscribers are quietly making $5,000 a month without ever showing their face, recording their own voice, or even leaving their home? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's happening every single day. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how small creators are doing it with faceless videos, how they pick niches, and how you can replicate the same system step by step. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the exact strategy that separates the channels that fail from the ones printing money consistently. It all starts with the right niche. You might think small channels can't compete with big names, but that's far from true. Small channels can actually dominate micro niches, specific targeted topics with a loyal audience and high search demand. For example, a channel explaining simple AI tools for productivity or teaching beginners how to budget using free apps can grow fast because people are actively searching for these solutions. These niches are profitable because they either solve a problem, entertain, or educate viewers, three things that always attract attention. Once the niche is chosen, the content creation process becomes the secret sauce. Faceless channels typically rely on three pillars: scripts, visuals, and voiceovers. And here is where AI has completely changed the game. AI tools can generate a full video script in minutes, complete with hooks, engaging main points, and a call to action. This eliminates the biggest hurdle for beginners, writing content from scratch. But here's the twist. Successful creators don't just copy the AI output, they refine it, make it conversational, and add value that feels human. That's the difference between a video that tanks and one that starts getting traction. Next comes voiceovers. You no longer need to record your own voice or hire expensive narrators. AI voice generators have become incredibly realistic, offering different tones, accents, and pacing. You can make a motivational video sound inspiring, a tutorial clear and professional, or a story time engaging, all without speaking a word yourself. And here's where small channels shine. The faster you can produce voiceovers, the more videos you can publish, which increases chances for algorithmic growth. Now, let's talk visuals. Many people assume faceless channels need expensive stock footage or complex animation, but that's not true. Even small channels are using a mix of free stock clips, simple graphics, and AI-generated images to create professional-looking videos. For example, if a video is about AI productivity tools, the visuals could include screen recordings, app demonstrations, animated text, and related stock footage. The key is consistency and relevance. Your visuals must support the story, not distract from it. But here is where it gets interesting. Small channels grow because they don't rely on luck. They rely on strategy. Each video is optimized for YouTube SEO. That means crafting titles that spark curiosity, writing descriptions with targeted keywords, and designing thumbnails that grab attention. Even with a small subscriber base, optimization ensures that the algorithm starts showing your videos to people who are actively searching for your topic. One clever title or thumbnail can make a video go from 10 views to thousands, which is why this step is crucial. Consistency is another factor that separates small, faceless channels making $5,000 a month from those that fail. Many beginners make the mistake of uploading sporadically, expecting instant results. The truth is, YouTube rewards channels that post regularly because each new video is another data point for the algorithm. Small channels often post 1 to 2 videos per week, testing different hooks, thumbnails, and lengths to see what resonates with their audience. Over time, this consistency compounds, creating a snowball effect that attracts more views and subscribers. Monetization is where the magic happens. Small channels make money in 3 main ways: ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Ad revenue alone can be substantial if videos attract high watch time, and in niches like finance, tech, or productivity, CPM rates are higher than average. Affiliate marketing boosts income by recommending tools, apps, or products in video descriptions. Sponsorships are usually reserved for larger channels, but even small creators can land micro-sponsorships if their niche has an engaged audience. The combination of these three income streams allows small channels to reach $5,000 per month without a huge following. Another critical factor is analyzing performance. Small channels that succeed constantly review analytics to see which videos perform best, which thumbnails attract clicks, and which topics hold viewers' attention. AI tools can help generate reports or even suggest topics based on trending searches. Channels that track and adapt are the ones that scale, while channels that ignore analytics often plateau quickly. For example, one small channel discovered that videos titled with "How To" consistently outperformed list-style videos, so they shifted their focus and views jumped by over 50% in a few weeks. The final piece of the puzzle is scaling. Once the system is in place, niche selection, script creation, AI voiceovers, visuals, SEO, and consistency, small channels can scale quickly. That means producing more videos each week, experimenting with new subtopics, and optimizing existing content. The channels making $5,000 per month aren't lucky. They've built a repeatable, almost automated workflow. And the best part? You don't need advanced skills. With AI, stock footage, and smart planning, beginners can replicate this system in their own niche. The main takeaway is clear. Faceless YouTube channels are no longer just a side hobby. They're a legitimate way for small creators to generate serious income. The channels that hit $5,000 per month share common traits. They pick the right niche, use AI to produce content efficiently, optimize videos for YouTube search, post consistently, track performance, and scale the system. Anyone can start today without showing their face or recording a single line of dialogue. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see the exact workflow I use to pick profitable faceless niches and create videos quickly, check out the next video on your screen right now.